OTT Play, sizzling samachar of the day. Mollywood actor Prithvi Raj was among the first in the industry to predict digital releases will become a norm. The actor's two released films, Cold Case and Kuruthi, are doing great on Amazon Prime. The curiosity has now hit the roof. Audiences are keen to know the status of his next film, Bro Daddy, which has superstar Mohanlal in the lead and Prithvi Raj's second directorial. Reports indicate that it could well have a theatrical and an OTT release. Prithvi Raj, answering to the question, said that's up to the producer. When a producer is investing so much money, I can't put forth a condition that the movie should be released only in theaters. I'm happy whichever way it releases. My aim is that it has to reach the audience. However, he also reiterated that like every other film, Bro Daddy is also made for the theaters, but the final decision is not in his hands. Third season of Netflix high school comedy Sex Education got released, and its lead star Emma Mackey has already hinting at an exit from the series. The 25-year-old star has been a part of the show since the very first season released in 2019. Speaking to Hunger, Emma said she can't pretend to be 17 forever and realizes that sex education comes with a use-by date. Let me give you a quick spoiler alert, right? Maeve finds an opportunity to study in the US while she's uncertain at first about leaving Otis. Catch the brand new episodes of Sex Education Season 3 playing now exclusive on Netflix to know whether Maeve is all set to exit the show or not. His Dark Materials, the BBC HBO fantasy series, has got two new stars joining in, Fleabag star Sian Clifford and Sherlock actor Jonathan Aries, in its upcoming third season. They will be cast as Gillespie spies, namely Agent Salma Kier and Commander Rook respectively, in Philip Pullman's book series. Clifford is best known for playing Claire in BBC comedy drama series Fleabag. The actor has won a BAFTA and a Primetime Emmy nomination for the same role. Aries, on the other hand, rose to fame for his role as Anderson in BBC's Sherlock. He was also seen in Amazon Prime Video's Good Omens as the Angelic Quartermaster. His Dark Materials is bankrolled by Bad Wolf in association with New Line Cinema. Series airs on BBC One in the UK and HBO in the US. The super-hit romantic drama series Virgin River has now been renewed for season 4 and 5 by Netflix. Show has Alexandra Breckenridge and Martin Henderson in the lead. Netflix registered a whopping 2.1 billion minutes viewed across 30 episodes of its first 3 seasons. The 2-season renewal comes after the show registered super strong performances with both season 2 and 3. Melinda, Mel Monroe, a midwife and a nurse practitioner played by Breckenridge, and Henderson plays the role of Jack Sheridan, a local restaurant bar owner and former US Marine who suffers PTSD. You can catch all the episodes of Virgin River exclusive only on Netflix. Bigg Boss from last season has been experimenting quite a lot. Last year, the makers had called contestants of other seasons when the show seemed to go a little thunder. The makers also dabbled with the OTT season for the very first time. In both seasons, if one thing was common, then it had to be Rakhi Sawant. Now guess what? The actress's husband might reveal himself in the upcoming season of Bigg Boss. Yes, Rakhi's husband Ritesh might be entering the controversial reality show. If reports are to be believed, then Ritesh would be a participant of Bigg Boss 15. It came directly from the horse's mouth. Ritesh told The Daily, "You will see me on the show." He also said that his first appearance would be with his wife, Rakhi Sawant. We gotta wait and watch for Bigg Boss Season 15.